guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my daughter Audrianna's room tour. This video was one of my most requested videos other than our house tour. And I figured that I would film this for you guys first because this is the first room that's actually fully done. It's completely finished. We're not buying anything else for this room, and a lot of you guys really wanted to see it. So yes, the house tour is definitely coming after this video, but I wanted to share her room with you guys first because I knew I was going to be filming it separately. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Brittany. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, let's get on with this room. All right guys, so I'm just going to do like a very slow motion kind of room overview just to kind of show you guys the entire bedroom, and then I will go into detail where, you know, everything is from. I will try to list as much as I can, and not everything is going to be listed because we got things from other people as gifts and whatnot, but I would definitely try to list everything that I can find for you guys down below. So when you first walk into her room, this is just her door. And then I have some little pictures on the wall. I did kind of like a picture montage. So right here, I actually had this in the living room for a while. It's just a little car. It's super cute. She really, really loves this thing. You just like open the door. It's actually turned off. But when you open the door, it makes like little sounds, and there's like blocks in it, and there's a ball side, and then she actually has this ball that my mom just got her, which is really fun. It like lights up. Here I just have her little table set. This is a little unicorn table set. I just added a couple of things on top that she plays with very often. We have our new dining set, and this table was actually there until we got our kitchen table, but now that our kitchen table is there, I had to place this in her room. So this is kind of a new little setup for her, but she seems to be liking it a lot. So she has her little Write and Learn Creative Center. She really, really loves this and actually is doing very well with it. So I would definitely recommend this for moms who have like a 1-year-old or a 1.5-year-old. I did take the magnets that it came with out of it just because she still is in the phase of putting things in her mouth. So I took these out and just put them on the top of our refrigerator until she's old enough, but she does do really well with the entire thing. She writes, she colors, and she does like pressing the buttons, and she's also learning certain letters of the alphabet. She has this little thing right here. It's just kind of like a, I don't know what you would call this, like a little box that has like a ton of little activities around it. And she does like playing with that. She likes opening the lid and getting the blocks out. And then this is her Minnie Mouse picnic set, and then inside has a bunch of like little picnic stuff. Sometimes her room does get a little bit stinky because I have to change her diapers in here. So I do have a unicorn wall plug-in. This does not stay in her bedroom when she's playing in her room. It doesn't stay when she's sleeping. It's basically only here. I do take it out quite often during the day because she does love playing in here. So after she like goes to the bathroom or after I change her, I will plug this in, but for the majority of the time it's out just because I definitely don't want to risk her putting it in her mouth or anything like that. So moving on to the wall above all of that stuff, there's a couple of pictures. This one is Unicorn Crossing, I Believe in Unicorns, A for her name, Audrianna. And then this I thought was so cute, you guys. It says, "Princess, embrace your inner princess. Inspire, bold is beautiful, take a risk, stir things up, dream big." And if you guys really look at the detail of this, because I'm a huge Disney freak and I hope Audrianna will be too, it has a bunch of little hidden things from Disney movies. That's the little genie from Aladdin, the shoe from Cinderella, the frog from Princess and the Frog, and then Ariel over here from The Little Mermaid. So I really liked the details of this picture and I could not pass it up. I actually got that at Hobby Lobby along with this letter as well. So like I said, I'll try to link everything, but I may just not be able to, so I'll mention things as well. I have this little picture down here. It says Once Upon a Time. I got that at Hobby Lobby as well. And then I have her books. So these bookshelves, I definitely would try to link for you guys. I got them at Target. They're by the brand Cloud Island. And I just put the majority of her books on here, but you know, not all of them could fit. So I just put her favorites up there. And then over here is just a little hidden unicorn. It actually lights up and it's really cool at nighttime when we're reading in here. I just light that up and she loves looking at it. So we got that. My mom actually gave us that as a gift. We move over to her little reading nook. This was the most exciting thing for me to put together for her. I just absolutely love the look of this in a bedroom. She does have a ton of stuff in there. We have this heart pillow, a little cloud sleeping, 2 unicorns. They're both extremely soft. My aunt actually got them for her. And then another little unicorn which she could actually sit on this. And then I have a Rapunzel doll, which is from the Disney store. And we'll explain why she has the Rapunzel doll in a second. Now moving over a little closer to her bed, we have this Minnie Mouse like kitchen set. She does love this a lot too, and we got a lot of little additives to it just to make it a little bit more fun. We do have her sound machine right there just because it's the closest little area to put it. But I did add this in most of my videos description box. It's from the Disney store, but one of you guys told me that it's actually sold at Walmart for way cheaper. So if you guys want to get this, it's much cheaper at Walmart, but we actually got it at the Disney store. And then up here is just another little picture. It looked really cute above her little Minnie Mouse kitchen. The colors just like look really good together. Then moving over to her mobile, I have this little mobile above her bed. I thought it was really cute and I felt like the colors went really well with her room. And then we have her crib down here. I always get questions asking what this is because it kind of throws off like the white look of her crib. When she was about 10 months, she went through a really, really rough teething phase and she was teething really bad on her crib, and we noticed that it was chipping the paint off. And we really did not want her doing that, even though it's a baby crib, you know, it's non-toxic paint, but we still did not want that. So we ended up putting this here just because if she does ever teeth on it, she'll be teething on this instead of the actual crib. But she never teethes on the crib anymore. That was just a phase that she went through for like 2 weeks and we just didn't like it. So we ended up putting this here. Have the bumpers around. We actually got these at Babies R Us as well, but I think they also still sell them somewhere else. So I will search for you guys. And then we have her sheets, which has little hearts on it. They have the cutest crib sheets at Walmart and Target. So I always have like a ton of crib sheets because I change them when she's sick. I change them, you know, every couple of days. I would say like every 5 days just because, you know, babies drool, they get milk places, so I change it very often. And then she has this little blanket that she sleeps with every night that my mom got her for Christmas. And above her crib, I just hung up her 1 month through 12 months little thing. This was actually at her birthday party, and I thought it was too cute to not hang up in her room. I know she's like 16 months now, but I just thought it was really cute and I didn't want to throw it away, so I thought it would look nice above her bed. And then I just have her name on this little wooden placard and it says Audrianna. And then we just have her baby monitor. I will link that down below as well, but that is from Project Nursery. I haven't figured out a way like how I want to hide the cord because I'm not a giant fan of how the cord looks, but you know, that's not a giant deal. And I have this little picture over here, which I thought was super cute, very fitting for her because we love unicorns and the colors also go really well with her room. It says, always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn. So I thought that was really cute. And then it says, then be a unicorn. Move over to her dresser area. So I have a little hamper over here. Yes, mom life, I still got some of her clothes in there, dirty laundry, don't mind that. I have her changing pad over here. I was gonna put the changing pad on top of her dresser and I realized she's not gonna go for that. She's not going to let me change her on top of that dresser. She would just be a crazy girl. So I just put the little changing pad on the floor just so I don't have to change her on the floor. So I just keep it right there. And then her dresser, we actually got, I'll try to find it for you guys, but I actually don't remember. And I do have a couple of things on her dresser. I have this little grow egg, which tells the temperature in her room. So right now it's actually 64 and it's saying that it's a good temperature for a baby. And then we have this little Yankee candle. It actually says her name on it and has a picture of her. It says Audrianna Nicole. My mom got her that. I think it was for my baby shower gift. Can't really remember, but I think it was before she was born. And then I have this little sparkly A, which was actually from her first birthday party. We put that on the dessert table, so I kept that and put it on her dresser. We also have this little baby's first. It says Audrianna Nicole, and it's super cute. My dad got it for her to put her first curl, which we already did. We already cut her hair. You guys probably noticed we cut her bangs, and then her first tooth. And obviously she has not lost her first tooth yet, but I thought this was super cute, so I had to put this out for display. And then we have a picture frame of her and PJ. It says Daddy's Girl. And just a little cute added flower arrangement. Of course it's fake though. And that is it. And then we just have like a ton of her stuff, socks in there. This is just a random drawer full of lotions and butt cream. We have her onesies and pants and then pajamas in the bottom. Now her closet isn't totally organized, but this is her closet. She just has sliding doors, and they're white. I have all of her shirts, jackets, and dresses, for the most part, in here. I haven't fully organized this the way that I want to, but it looks fine for now. We have her puzzles that she doesn't really use as much. I kind of switch out her toys, like put some in the closet and then I'll take some out and I'll put some back in the closet just so she has new stuff. I rotate them quite often. I have all of her little backpacks that she has. In here is a bunch of headbands, like her baby bling headbands. And then this is her Easter basket and her Halloween candy basket. So we use that for both things. She has a little stuffed animal. This I just couldn't throw away. This was actually on a table at our baby shower, and then we were using this a ton. So I put this away for a little bit, and I'll probably take it out in a couple weeks. And clothes, extra hangers down here, and then here's some more toys that I've kind of like put away. We have this little vanity. This actually goes with the Rapunzel doll. So this is a little Rapunzel vanity that she got for Christmas. It was actually out in that area. I had put the Rapunzel vanity here with the Rapunzel doll, but we had to put this table here. So I just put the Rapunzel vanity in here for now because she was playing with it, but not as much as she will when she's older. So I will put it in here for now and take it out a little bit later. And this was definitely a baby toy when she was much younger. She actually came in here to play with her car. Put this away. I might actually give this to PJ's sister-in-law because she's having a baby, and this is a really great baby toy. I have a little microwave down here. She actually does use this. We got this for her for Christmas, but I just didn't want it like out, and she does play in this area a lot. I leave this closet open and she'll play in here just because her toy box is in here too. So I leave that there. And then another little baby toy that she doesn't really play with that much, so I may give it away. And then we have 2 books right here that weren't really fitting on her bookshelf, so I left them here. This is actually a really cool book. It's a Touch and Teach word book. I just recently got it for her. I've been working on it with her a little bit here and there. But you touch like each thing and it'll tell you what it is. So I touched it and it'll say spoon. Touch it and it says broom. So I thought that was really neat to kind of teach her different words. This I really, really love. It has Rapunzel and then 2 other princesses on the side. And we have loads of more toys in here. So she's usually, oh goodness, I don't even know how to turn this off. But we have loads of toys in here that I need to go through. She does not play with all of these, and she does go in this toy box often. Hi, sweetie, what are you doing? Was it Mama's in your toys? So there she goes. So I always leave this open for her just because she does like reaching in her toy box, but I know she doesn't play with all of those. Just to show you guys what's on the other side, I have her little caddy that we used a lot when she was a baby, but for now we just have like towels and her extra blankets. And then I have extra wipes down here. We don't have a ton of extra wipes. We just have like 1 and then a big bag. And then actually these are pacifier wipes and hand and face wipes. Oh, are you gonna join us? So we'll open this side. And down here are bibs and little washcloths and rags. And then in here are just her little security blankets. She didn't really use security blankets when she was a baby, but I just couldn't get myself to throw them away. They were too cute, so I'm going to save them for a little bit longer. And then we just have some extra storage over here that we just put toys that she's also not using. This was a walker / like activity set. She doesn't really use that. That was kind of when she was learning to walk. And then we have some blocks down here. I could probably take those out because she does like building stuff. And then this is a collector's edition Tinkerbell doll, and then we just have her tunnel. Here I have all of her shoes in here. Surprisingly, they fit really well in this container. I have this little picture that says hello darling. Over here I have a little unicorn candle. This was actually a gift from my dad. It says Audrianna Nicole and it has her birthday. Headband from her birthday party that I wore. And then this is all of her more headbands and then all of her little clips and hair ties. And then up here we have another little Easter basket. Her unicorn lawn chair for when we go to her brother's baseball games. This was actually a gift from my old boss. She got her that when I was pregnant. It says Audrianna Nicole when she found out her name. So she actually made that. That was really cute. And then this is just a scent thing to make her closet smell good. So that's kind of how I organized everything up there. And I think it looks pretty good. It seems pretty easy for me to get things in and out of. So I'm liking the way everything is fitting. And then we go back to her her door. Alright guys, so that is it for Audrianna's room tour. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't worry, our house tour is coming because we got our kitchen table, so look out for that. Bye guys.
A couple 100 miles away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me, too complicated, but